What's up, guys? 3-pedal J in the garage, Frankenstein behind me, and today we are going to attempt to put the engine in Frankenstein. It is roughly 8:05, 8:10. I'm sorry, I can't tell time. I can't do a lot of things because I have been very, very busy. Coming down to the wire, got lots of cool tech parts in, got the tilting throw-out bearing, which is really needed for the transmission to run the clutch that we're going to be running. We got the thermostat, which was needed. We got the push rods, which are needed. We got the front cover on the Evolution 5.7, which obviously is needed. Timing chain's all set. Pistons are in. If you've watched, been following along, you know that all that stuff's done. Gotta put the motion, I'm sorry, not the motion. the motion Raceworks catch can needs to go on. And then I got a 35-pound tensioner from HHP. So we're going to put that on. So in this video, we're just going to get after it. We're going to put a bunch of stuff on, and we're going to try to get the 5.7, the Evolution 5.7, stuffed in Frankenstein, which means I need to put the AC compressor on, I need to put the motor mount on, and I need to put the alternator on so that I can have everything situated and not have to do it when the motor's in the car. It's going to be a lot of tedious work, boring work, so I will try my best to make it interesting and get this done quickly. More to come, guys. Appreciate everybody's support. Appreciate everybody's comments. Appreciate everybody following along. Smash the comment or the like button, the bell, the notifications, all of that good stuff. And let's get after it. All right. Set all this stuff down. Here that I need. Oh, we still definitely need those. Here are the head studs. Let's uncover this bad Put you here. Thermostat. New thermostat. This little piece right here goes pointing up. So you slide it in like this, point it up, good to go. I'm gonna take this and hope that we get it right. Oh, it's a new water pump on here too. That's a little close. Time to go get some tools. Let's go over here. Grab our big boy tools. Our big boy impact. I don't know what I did with the glove. What did I do with the glove? Okay. Look at all the pistons. They're in. Number 1 on TDC. Same here. They're all in. Need to make sure that I clean all that out. So the last upgrade I have for Evolution 5.7 is this pretty cool billet tensioner arm. Comes from HHP. It's a 35-pound tensioner arm, and it goes on just like this. Put this in here like so. Has a little spacer. I don't know, this might be the unit from it's a little bigger. So there we have it. So now, still is basically done. I mean, I still got to put the crank pulley on, which we'll get to that when I find it. Wow. I just gotta sit back and be happy with this for a second, guys. This is pretty amazing. Am I caught underneath? Alright guys, I had to go underneath to make sure the transmission, well, all the wiring wasn't gonna get messed up. So engine is basically in. I'm gonna reposition the still a little bit, and then I just gotta rock it kind of in place. So we're just gonna pick it up just a smidge. We repositioned everything. Oh, one of them looks like they fell in. It did. Let's see if the other one fell into place. Oh, it's in. It's in. The engine's in place. I just gotta put the bolts in, and it's like square in place too. This is amazing. This is amazing. I gotta get my dang. Wow. That didn't take long at all. I am so freaking stoked, guys. Engine is mounted. Where did I put my headlight? I misplaced my headlight that I usually use, which that kind of sucks, but whatever. Engine is in. And of course I dropped the freaking bolts, but engine is in. Engine is in. That's not good. We need that. We got an engine in. So that's gonna do for this one. 3-pedal J saying rev her up, dump the clutch, grab a gear, disappear. Peace. We're on our way, guys. We got a freaking Evolution 5.7 put in. Things are just moving along. I can put the heads on it now and make some things happen. Super excited.